Now, where did the Chinese emperor stash these secret treasures? I'm going to tell you at the end of this video.
And this is no ordinary closet. It's one of a pair of replicas of an imperial closet made of Huanghuali wood or rosewood dating back to the reign of Emperor Kangxi, who ruled from 1661 to 1722. Phoenixes, some 20 in all, accompanied by peony blossoms, decorate the front panel, suggesting that the original intended owner could very well have been the empress or an imperial concubine. No wonder the pair of closets were sold for 98 million RMB at Poly Auction in 2017, a record in the auction of traditional Chinese furniture.
Ooh, look at this. It's pretty spacious. I love this store.
And of course, when you spend that much money buying a closet, it should come standard with a safety deposit box, ideally concealed like this one here to provide you with the privacy and safety needed, but never at the expense of sacrificing regal sophistication.
You can put a lot of things in here. Now this is pretty deep, right?